Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem that you have on Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite problems, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Facebook Lite. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. You can go to your airplane mode and you can click, then you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.